As I mentioned before, whenever you see the heart, the anterior 1/3 here is the middle lobe. The anterior 1/3 here is the lingula. The posterior 2/3 here and here are the basal segments of the lower lung lobes. Why? Because the superior segment will disappear when the heart appears. So the superior segment should be disappeared now as the heart appears. So these are the basal segments. There is collapse here of the left lower lung lobe basal segments. And as you know, the mnemonic for the basal segments PLA plus M, posterior, lateral, anterior, medial. Here, there should be posterior, lateral, anterior, anteromedial, and the anteromedial. I think the collapse here involves the posterior and lateral basal segments. So there is collapse of the basal segments of the left lower lung lobe. Now you need to check for the cause of the collapse. You need to look at the left lower lung lobe bronchus. As I mentioned before, the left mainstem bronchus, first horizontal branch on axial view, is the inferior segment of the left upper lobe bronchus. Why? Because the superior segment is vertically oriented and can't be seen in line with the left mainstem bronchus. So as you can see here, this is the left mainstem bronchus and this is the inferior division of the left upper lobe bronchus. And after this branch, the left lower lobe bronchus should be given here, but it's now compressed by a bulky mass at the level of the hilum. Okay, so here the left lower lobe bronchus is compressed by a bulky mass at the level of the hilum. I think this is the cause of the collapse of the basal segments of the left lower lung lobe.